It is day 2 in Chicago. We're about to go get some breakfast. Last night, y'all, Lord. Okay, so come to find out that it was a stabbing. Some boys got into a fight. Some teenage boys got into a fight. And they stabbed each other or something. And another, like an older guy, he got stabbed in the midst of it. I read this all on the little news articles. But yeah, that's what happened. So nobody got shot. But still, it's bad enough. People stabbing people, little boys, teenage boys. Don't make no sense. But we're about to go out to breakfast. This is my outfit for today. About to show y'all in the mirror. But yeah, it's my outfit. Hopefully these pants won't be too hot. I actually raided Brittany's closet. So this is where this is from. I can't remember where she told me she got it from though. But yeah. About to head on out. Our breakfast is here. I got red velvet French toast with some bacon and hash brown potatoes. We got this big old on-bean omelet, French toast, a muffin, and bacon. He talking about he gonna eat it all. Okay. I don't even know if I'm about to eat all mine. These French toast look so good. We about to smash. This French toast, y'all. They did something right here. And it got cream cheese in it. In the middle of the French toast. I'm a fan. I'm a fan. Did you taste your food yet?
Not really, I'm about to.
Worth it? Next stop, Sugar Factory. My favorite place. So I absolutely fell in love with this place when I went to Miami, and y'all, when I say these drinks is good as hell, y'all. These big old goblets. I'm about to show y'all the little picture, the menu, but y'all. Okay, so these are the goblets that they have. A whole bunch of different flavors. I had this one when I went to Vegas one time. And then I think I had this one when the first one I ever had when I went to Miami. So good, y'all, so good. We decided to get this one, the ocean blue. Something we both can like. Yeah, so good. And it's like currently, what time is it? 11 something? What time is it? It's 11:34 in the morning. But it's okay to start drinking, y'all. It's called day drinking. No, it's called day drinking. But they also have like martinis and stuff. Y'all can get that. But I come for the goblets.
Come for the alcohol.
Yeah. But if y'all ever in Chicago, Miami, or Vegas, I don't know their other locations, but go to Sugar Factory.
Alright, enjoy.
set the camera up so y'all can see.
Whoever say it's good.
Good.
Awesome.
Thank
Don't
you.
need anything, right?
Okay, thank you.
Appreciate
Got these little gummy sharks in here. This lady keep looking at me, y'all. She all the way across the bar, and she just keep on looking. These are different kind of folks out here, y'all. What are you doing?
Something you don't know how to do.
I know how to read. Thank you very much. Malik laughing at me. He talking about, you look like a damn fool. I don't care. It's raining, and I will probably walk around with this bag on my head because, for one, I am black. We do not get our hair wet, okay? And that's that. That's all I have to say about that. He's laughing at me. Period, y'all. Period. Okay, so this is our second attempt to try to go to the Skydeck. The line all the way back there. It wraps around the building. They talking about a 3-hour wait. Not I. And the thing is, we already purchased our tickets online. So it's like either we get in tomorrow or we gonna have to get a refund because this thing was $25. I'm not letting no $25 go to waste, okay? 3 hours. So we just about to catch our lift and head on to the next destination. Hopefully we can get in here tomorrow. The guy said come right when it opened. So we'll see.
The next day.
Good morning, good morning. I didn't get a chance to show y'all my outfit today. This is day 3 in Chicago. That's babe. I was just waiting for him to do that. But we are finally here at the Skydeck. It is like almost 8 o'clock. So the line, it start up there. So thank you, Lord. Because if we wouldn't have got in here today, run me my money back, okay? But this is my outfit for today. A cute little romper. But yeah, once we get inside, I'll tune back in.
Up this 1,450-foot modern marvel in one of the tower's 104 elevator cars. Your trip to the Skydeck will only take about a minute. That means your elevator is traveling at a speed of more than 24 feet per second. The tower opened its doors in 1973 and held the title of the world's tallest building for 25 years. The west antenna reaches 1,730 feet above the Chicago streets. We're now passing 850 feet and San Francisco's Transamerica Pyramid, 970 feet and the Yokohama Landmark Tower, Japan's tallest building, 1,062 feet and Paris's stunning Eiffel Tower. The Bank of China Tower in Hong Kong.
Yeah, I feel like
1,250 feet in the Empire State Building in New York. And now we're here, 103 stories up.
Wow.
Welcome to the top.
I don't know, but I still feel my ears popping. Let's go.
Just swallow.
Oh.
Scared. My lord. My lord. Yeah, I'm taking a picture. Oh, yeah. All right, y'all. We are back at Navy Pier. I'm kind of lenient about being over here, but we are about to get on our speedboat tour. And got my little swimsuit on and my cover up. It's kind of windy and chilly over here because we're right by the water. Huh?
Can we bring?
I don't think you can bring no drink on there. I don't know. I don't know about all that.
Wait, what time do we get on?
Gotta be on there at 11. What time is it? I don't know.
Definitely gonna get a drink. Start getting on.
Yeah.
10:40.
Margaritaville. What it? Oh, okay. We got 10 minutes before our tour starts. Yeah, it's down there. You see the yellow one?
Look like they let it move on.
Oh, that might be. Gotta get on there then.
We gotta be there at a certain time.
I don't know. Probably just letting people on. We are going up there where y'all see that yellow boat.
I wouldn't ride the boat.
And me drive boat. So this sun, bright. Well, look at the clouds. He didn't want to sit next to me, talking about he want the window seat too. It's a big old boat.
I just want to drive the boat.
Let me drive the boat. He hard-headed, y'all. The lady said stay in y'all seat. Look where he at now.
I want to drive the boat.
This hard-headed. Yeah, don't listen.
I want to drive the boat.
Hey, baby.
I want to fuck you.
So, turns out it's not really a good day to be here at the beach. It's very windy. Sand blowing everywhere. Oh, Lord. Whoa. Yo, I wish I would have just got that on camera. This dude just fell right in front of us. He was walking, it's a big old hole in the sand, right? He just walks right in and it falls. Oh, I wish I would have got that. But very windy out here, y'all. I don't know. that water cold or not. The way them people in it don't look like it, but I don't know. We'll see. So we said nope to the beach. I went and put my feet in that water. I said, oh no, I ain't about to go home and be sick. So we're on our way to the zoo. Lincoln Park Zoo. It's free, so why not? We're walking there. The police officer said it's like, oh, yeah, it's like a block over. We gotta go on this little bridge overpass, and then we should be there in a minute. We back in the room. The zoo was boring. He broke my bag. What? Yeah, the zoo was boring. No. The zoo was boring. About to chill right now. I guess it's 2:13. Find something else to do later. Yeah. Alright, so this is my next outfit for the afternoon, the nighttime. About to go out for ice cream and drinks, I think. But yeah, nothing else planned for tonight that I know of. So we'll see what we get into. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you. No, you not. You ain't no allergic to no chocolate. You're not. Then why do we come here if you're allergic to chocolate? Oh, Lord. No allergic to no damn chocolate. All you have to say is you don't want one. Oh, Lord. What's up, guys? I just quickly want to end this vlog. I just want to say that I enjoyed my vacation, our vacation. This was our last night, so we leave tomorrow morning. Bay over there asleep. He always falling asleep on me. But it's been a fun trip. Seeing all the different things out here is definitely a big change of scenery from Detroit. So I enjoyed it. Other than the little altercation that happened at the fireworks, I had a real good time. So just sitting here looking out the window, enjoying the night views. But yeah, that's it, y'all. I'm actually kind of ready to get back home. You know, you be on vacation for so long, you be like, okay, I'm ready to get back home now. But thanks for tuning in and going on this vacation with us. Hope y'all enjoyed, and I'll see y'all next time. Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face, tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.